Welcome everyone to another call in this Friday Clarity Night series. And I'm so glad, so grateful to all of you, more of you choosing these calls and receiving from me. So how did I get so lucky and how does it get even better than this?
Yes.
So the topic that we chose to come up with for today's call is choice creates. So there are two words, choice and creates. And as always, I'm going to keep it an interactive session and I will ask you questions. I expect that you would unmute yourself, you would talk, and you would put your responses in the chat box, whatever is like light for you, whatever is fun for you. So, what does choice mean to you? CHOICE, choice, चुनाव. हिंदी में बोले तो चुनाव, चुनना. आपके लिए चुनाव करना, चॉइस करने का आपके लिए क्या मतलब है? आप क्या सोचते हैं चॉइस का क्या मतलब है? और चॉइस से क्या हो सकता है, क्या नहीं हो सकता है? So what does choice mean to you?
चॉइस तो उसी के लिए करते हैं कि हमें क्या चाहिए, व्हाट वी वांट
You choose that.
इन फिजिकल वर्ल्ड और इन मेंटल वर्ल्ड, इमोशनल वर्ल्ड, सबके लिए हम एक चॉइस सिलेक्ट करते हैं कि हमें ये चाहिए, एक टारगेट जैसा नक्की करके फिर आगे बढ़ते हैं.
So is choice a preference? Is choice a target for you? What is choice for you?
Preference.
समटाइम टारगेट और समटाइम जस्ट चॉइस.
Okay. Okay. Anyone else? आपके लिए चॉइस क्या है?
Eliminating other alternatives.
So it's a decision that you come, like if there are number of options available to you, you
See, we have to
eliminate
choose.
others and you come to one decision that this is what I would go with right now. So
See,
you
we
can
have
have
to choose. We have to choose only when there are more than one option. Had there been one option, we don't have a choice. We have to, but we choose only when there are more than one option. So eliminating others and settling down on one.
So do you call that choice or is that a decision that you make?
Choice. Still, for me, it's a choice.
Okay. Okay. So we'll come back to that, Trupti. So basically, like there are two words, options available and eliminating the options and coming to a decision. And what choice is, as we talk about more, choice is a different energy. So we'll come back to that. So I just want to get the energy of what all comes up for people whenever we speak the word choice. So Himanshi is saying choice is what we are willing. What we are willing, so it's a wish list. It's something in the future. मुझे ये चाहिए, मिलेगा कि नहीं मिलेगा मुझे नहीं पता, मैंने एक विश दे दी है, मैंने एक like is that what choice means to you, Himanshi? Chaitanya is saying what we want deep down into our heart. So choice is for you is what you are saying, Chaitanya, is choice is something you want but you cannot even, like, you are many a times you might not be wording it out, not expressing it. And how many times are you aware that what it is that you actually want deep down in your heart? So everything, all the definitions of choices that you have, will you please now destroy and uncreate it all times a quadrillion? Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pop, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. So the what we did right now was each one of us has some point of view, some thoughts, some definitions, some meanings that we have attached to what choices. So what we are doing is we are clearing all those definitions and actually creating a clean slate, something like something more clean, a clear slate, a blank page where you can create or rewrite the energy of the word choice. And what I said after that, right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. So if you have not done any of the access classes or access sessions, it's the access clearing statement, which clears off like a magical wand all the energetic blockages, all the limitations that you have created. It's called the clearing statement. So it clears off everything related to that is keeping you stuck and fixed. So imagine a situation that you are going out to eat ice cream. You go to the ice cream shop, that ice cream parlor or wherever you are, and there are lot many flavors available there, lot many options available for ice cream. How do you choose between those ice cream? So Tripti, do you eliminate ये नहीं खाऊंगी, ये नहीं खाऊंगी, ये नहीं खाऊंगी, अब ये बचा एक तो ये खा लूंगी? How do you choose over there?
No, in that case, I know one of my standard flavor. The
And
flavor
is
that I
it
like most. If I see that it's available, yes, I'll go for it. If it is not available, then elimination.
okay? So do you like it's is it a standard fixed flavor that you have, that if this is available, I'm going to eat only this?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so you have already concluded that this is my favorite flavor of ice cream, and I will eat this only every time I go to this, and it's going to be there, like it's going to be almost, if not for the lifetime, at least for the coming times, for some time.
Yes.
This is what I like. And how many questions do you ask over there before making the choice, that what would be fun for me to eat today? So how do you others, like how do you, when it is as simple as having a flavor of ice cream, how do you choose? What do you choose actually? And do you put your mind any logic behind it, that ये खाएंगे तो ऐसा होगा, ये खाएंगे तो ऐसा होगा, ये वाला फ्लेवर खाएंगे तो ये न्यूट्रिशियस रहेगा, ये नहीं न्यूट्रिशियस नहीं रहेगा, पिछली बार ये खाया था इसलिए इस बार ये खाएंगे? Do you do all of that? Please don't unmute yourself, it echoes. So unless you are speaking or asking questions, please don't unmute. Thank you. So how do you choose when you have to eat an ice cream? You just choose it, you just know it, you have the awareness, instead of like many a times, like if you have something, you know that it's always I like to eat, you might go for it. And I would suggest that you can ask your body, you can be in that energy to look at all the options and ask which is the one that I would like to eat today, and you choose and you eat it. It's as simple as that. So Namrata has already started fragrance. So Namrata, your smell said your psychic awareness is with smell seems to be quite strong.
Yeah, I think it was not
Start
much.
smelling. Yeah.
It's like getting something more is coming out.
Yes. So your choice, when you compare things, when you use your logical mind, when you use that this what you go into the pros and cons of the different options, you go into the elimination. Actually it's not choice, that is what you come to a conclusion based on some analytical and logical reasoning, or you come to a decision. Now the word decision, like decision is like you choose one, and that is what you have concluded, that this is the one, that you, the one option that you would go with always. So what happens, the word decision itself, it derives from a word which means like killing all other options. I don't remember which, it's is it in Roman or some Greek, but then it means that you are killing everything else. So you are killing, like you are eliminating everything else, you are killing away all the options, and you are coming to a decision that this is the only one that I'm going to have always. So would there be infinite options and choices available to you if you are making a decision? When you choose, it's only for that moment, for that time. मतलब आप एक आइसक्रीम, आज मैंने चूज की कि आज मैं बटर स्कॉच खाऊंगी, मेरा वो लाइफ टाइम का डिसीजन नहीं है कि मैं रोज हर बार जब भी आइसक्रीम खाने जाऊंगी तो मैं बटर स्कॉच ही खाऊंगी, मैं और कुछ भी खा सकती हूँ. Yeah, so your choice, you choose it based on the energy of it, you choose it for no reason. So does everyone get the energy of the word choice? Are there any questions over with choice? So it's without any logical reasoning, no analysis, no comparison, you just go with the energy that it's going to be like fun to have this one, I would really love to have it, and I'm choosing it, I would like to have it. As simple as that. Choice.
Or I would like to have a change and choose something different.
Sorry?
I would like to choose something new to be something different.
Yes, and you choose that. I'm choosing this. Now, how do you create your life? So the other word in this today's topic for clarity nice is creates. So what does creating mean to you? How do you create your life? What is creation for you? So would anyone like to say?
कुछ नया करने की चाह.
या
कुछ नया करे.
नहीं, वो तो चाहत हुई. क्रिएट, आप क्रिएट करेंगे ना, आप कुछ क्रिएट मतलब क्या होता है आपके लिए, क्रिएशन मतलब क्या है?
कोई भी क्षेत्र
सृजन,
में
सृजन जिसको बोलते हैं ना, सृजन करना,
नया सर्जन.
सृजन करेंगे तो कैसे करेंगे आप सृजन, आप कैसे करते हैं?
वो किधर भी गए हैं और उधर से कुछ भी नया मिला, अभी मार्केट में गए कुछ मिला, वो दो चीज लेके कुछ नया बनाया, एक नई चीज का हमारे लिए एक वो नई चीज हो गई.
सो या ये, हाँ जी अंकित. Or there are more like responses in the chat box. I'll just read them out. Creating again by choice, working towards something, choose and act upon. So what have you created your life as, on the basis of what? अभी जो भी आपकी लाइफ है, अगर आपका एक जॉब है, आपका एक बिजनेस है, आपने एक रिलेशनशिप की है, आपके बच्चे हैं, जो भी है आपकी लाइफ में, वो आपने कैसे क्रिएट किया है, क्या क्रिएट किया है? पहले आप मानते हैं कि वो आपका क्रिएशन है, और इट हैज जस्ट समथिंग दैट हैज हैपेंड टू यू, और हैव यू क्रिएटेड इट?
Creation.
It's a creation. Does everyone agree that it's a creation?
Yes.
Everything that is there in your life, You have created it. And so if you are having a job, you have created that job. If you are living in a particular city, if you are even born to a set of parents, you have chosen them. It was your choice to be born to them. So everything that you have created in your life, it is you have chosen it. You chose it based on some energy, could be based on some points of views, anything, but it was your choice. So everything that you choose, how do you create your life? By choosing it. So everything that everywhere, whatever you have created in your life, it is, if it is by your choice, you just by choosing it, do you get it that you have the power to choose something different now and create the life that you would like to have, just by choosing it. Like you choose ice cream flavors or anything else in your life. And everything that does not allow you to perceive, nor be, and receive that, will you please destroy and uncreate it all times a godzillion. Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pop, all 9 shorts, boys and beyonds. So everything that you choose in your life, you choosing to coming on this call, joining this call, you choosing to do an access class, you choosing to come up with your responses to my question, all of that is creating something. So every word that you speak, every thought that you think, every choice that you make, it is creating something. It creates. And whatever your life is right now, you have created it through your choices, the set of choices that you made. And everywhere now you feel stuck in some area of your life that you are not able to change it, you are not able to create. You cannot create something different. Be it money, be it a new job, be it business, be it more awareness. Do you get that it's only a matter of choice that you can make and you would have it all? And everything that brought up, will you please destroy and uncreate it all times a godzillion? Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pop, all 9 shorts, boys and beyonds. Yes. Was there a question someone was asking?
Ma'am,
Saurabh, do you want to ask something?
yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, just as you said, it, we create whatever we choose. So, ma'am, do you mean to say that we create our own problems also?
What is a problem? What does problem mean to you?
And problems means whenever we are stuck at any point of our life, that is a problem for us.
So you have, like, usually what problem is for people is a situation which you don't like.
Yeah.
Or it is unexpected, or it is like not something that you wanted to have as an end result. So that occurs as a problem to you. ये मुझे नहीं चाहिए है, या ये ऐसा हो गया इसलिए मेरे को ये हो रहा है. तो tell me one problem of yours, Saurabh. What is the problem?
Ma'am, my main problem is, ma'am, anxiety.
Your problem is your?
That is my anxiety issue.
Anxiety issue.
Yeah.
Okay. So So that is a problem. So do you know what causes anxiety?
Yeah, ma'am.
Hmm?
Yeah, to some extent I know.
Okay. So are you like so there are a set of tools that Access provides for the issue of anxiety. So it's again a choice that you have made in your life to create that anxiety. And out of like certain awareness that you receive for anxiety, that what is it, what anxiety is for you, would give you a relief in that sense. So how many we you have taken some bar sessions and some sessions, and are you aware of what like those things, that what is it that causes anxiety, those endless thoughts, those worries, those concerns in your life?
Ma'am, I have taken only few sessions.
Okay, so I would highly recommend that you take an at least that 2-3 hours, get your happy on calls, which would give you the tools to deal with your issue of anxiety. So you choose everything in your life, and yes, you do choose the anxiety also. And if once you have that awareness, that what is it that you are choosing that is causing that anxiety, and you get the tools that would let you go past your anxiety, that would help you a lot. Okay, so anxiety is not the topic of this call, so I would refrain from talking about those tools which would get you past that anxiety.
Tasneem,
Yeah.
I think what his question was, do we create anxiety also?
Yes, we
So,
do create.
yes, because this is something which I've recently learned when Dr. Dane Heer was telling about only choice creates. And I've got only one message for myself, only one advice for myself on my whiteboard. Only choice creates. So at
It's
any
only
point of
choice.
time, you are not making conscious choices, you are making unconscious choices.
Yes.
And unconscious choices lead you to choose things which you do not want, do not like. And it's kind of
They create those circumstances, those situations, those in your body and in your universe. Like anxiety is one of them. Yes. So as Geet very rightly pointed out, that everything in your choice creates. So you chose something which led you to anxiety. Say for example, that's a very good example that Saurabh has brought forward. So like you chose something which led you to anxiety. What can you choose now which would let you go past your anxiety? So are you willing to choose that? What we do is मैंने ये choice, मतलब ये हो गई है problem. Now you don't even choose something else. You are stuck there. So no choice is forever. You chose something which led to certain situations in your life. What if you could choose something different now? So what can you choose, Saurabh, that would give you relief from your anxiety issues, and all those tools, all those awareness,
Hello.
which would let you go past that? Yes, Saurabh. Yeah, Praveen.
Hello.
Who is
Ma'am,
there?
this is Praveen.
Yes, Praveen.
This is Praveen. Ma'am, will you please elaborate on COVID-19 situation? So what you have said that we create. So
Yes.
I don't think that we have how it is so that we have all created this
We
COVID-19
have all created
situation.
it. Yes, we
How
have
come?
all
How come?
created
How come?
it.
Please.
So there
Yes,
is
so
no.
this is the question I was asking you on that call. How did we create?
because we
Yes,
created
yes.
some
I
chain.
remember you have been putting
Yes.
that
So
question there.
So how much did the earth, like, first of all the wrongness that you have about this COVID-19 situation, will you please now destroy and uncreate it all times a constant?
Yes.
Yes.
Right and
Yes,
wrong,
yes,
good
yes,
and bad, pot
definitely
and
yes.
pock, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. Everywhere
Yes,
you are not able to see that this situation as a blessing and always seeing it as a problem. Will you please now destroy and uncreate it all times a constant?
Yes.
Right and wrong,
Yes.
good and bad, pot and pock, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. How much, like, one of the things that, like, what are the conscious things that have happened during this COVID-19 situation that you have not even acknowledged? So everywhere the earth has healed, the nature, the animals, the plants, how much happier they are, how much more flourishing they are, how much more happier is earth. And with we being at homes, how much we have created more communion at places with the families, and how much of this online stuff has come up, which you can all use to your advantage. And everything that does not allow you to perceive, know, be, and receive that, will you please destroy and uncreate it all times of God's name?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all
Yes.
nine shorts, boys and beyonds. What choices many of us, and like with masses on the planet, were making, that were exploiting, abusing the earth, the nature, and now nature has made a choice, the earth has made a choice for this COVID-19. So what choices
Okay,
did you
okay.
make in this lifetime, and in previous lifetimes, many other lifetimes, which has created this situation? Some of it you might not be able to get it cognitively because it's a pandemic situation. It's a like huge thing for it, which has affected masses. So it's not a choice, it's a collective choice by many of us that has been created through collective consciousness. So everything that brought up for you,
Yes, I got
will you
it now.
please will you please destroy and
Yes,
uncreate it all times a Godzillion? Right and wrong, good and
yes,
bad,
yes,
pot
yes.
and pock, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. So like people, like human beings, and like and others, could be, they made some choices which led to this COVID situation. So it was choice that created this as well.
May I say why did we create this? This is what I get always.
So there is no why. That's what, like, thank you for bringing that up. So as I said, you choose it for no reason. There is no reason why you choose things.
एक मतलब ये भी हुआ कि हम अपनी बीमारी भी चॉइस करते हैं
Yes. Your
कि हमें
choice
ये बीमारी
creates
हो.
your illness, whatever it is, to 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 get out of certain things, to avoid certain awareness that your body is giving you all the points of views that you are holding on to that are no longer relevant. All your fixed points of views that you are locking into your body creates many illnesses, pains, suffering of your body. So your point of view creates your reality. So
इसे
whatever you
छोड़े
have,
कैसे
छोड़े कैसे? चॉइस से
इसे छोड़े
चूज करिए कि छोड़ना है, छोड़ दिया है ना? मेरे हाथ में ये फोन है, इसको छोड़ूं कैसे? ये बोलूंगी इसको छोड़ूं कैसे, आप मुझे बताएंगे कैसे छोड़ूं, या ऐसे छोड़ दूंगी? इट्स अ चॉइस
बराबर
अगेन, या ठीक है? तो लाइक एवरीथिंग यू चूज, इट्स एज इजी एज दैट, वी मेक इट एक्सट्रीमली कॉम्प्लिकेटेड एंड डिफिकल्ट. ओके, तो इसको छोड़ूं कैसे? जैसे अभी अंकित ने बोला. सो एंड दैट इज व्हाट वी ऑल डू. So we have all done that, we have been there, we have done that. So everything that is bringing up for you It's something, a new way of looking, a new perspective, which you may not have thought in that manner ever before. So your points of views, your belief system, the choices that you have made have created the foundation of your life, that you have created, on which you have created your life so far. And what new foundation can you lay out, which is more flexible, which is more expansive, which creates the life that you would truly like to have, which is much more beyond this reality, and truly abundant, that you can choose now. So are you willing to let go of your older foundation, or based on certain belief system, or your points of views? The choices that you made, many of them were unconscious choices, as Keith mentioned. You did not get the energy of what this choice is actually going to create in the future, and you chose it. They were unconscious choices. And now what else can you choose? Yes, Namrata. Namrata is writing that during COVID, it was like time for yourself, like Vipassana. Yeah. Being
Yeah,
with-
like
yeah.
if we look outside, then it's a whole fear, it's a lie. And if you
Yeah.
look within, it's all happiness. You know, it's like it's a precious time given by the nature to all, like where we can actually look within who we truly.
Yes. So there are 4 elements to creating something. One of the more very important one of them is choice. So you ask a question. So the 4 elements, the four sources of creation are question, choice, possibility, and contribution. So this we do in detail in one of the classes of Access Consciousness, which we call as the Access Foundation class. It's the prerequisite for this class is the Access BAS class. Many of you must have already done the BAS class, so you know about the question, and you
Can
know
you
to some
repeat these
extent
four?
about the choice. Yeah,
ये
Ankit?
4 चीज आप रिपीट बोलो एक बार.
हाँ, मैं करूंगी. क्वेश्चन, सवाल,
जी.
प्रश्न,
हाँ जी.
चॉइस, चुनाव, पॉसिबिलिटी, संभावना, एंड कंट्रीब्यूशन. कंट्रीब्यूशन का हिंदी वर्ड नहीं याद आ रहा.
सहयोग.
Could be सहयोग. I don't know what it is. So these
साथी
are,
हाथ बढ़ाना. मैम
yeah.
साथी बढ़ाना.
yes, सहयोग, वही बोले वो. हाँ, सहयोग की वही एनर्जी है. And I'm not sure what actually the manual says. I will have to look into the manual to get the actual energy.
Yogdan, yeah.
Yogdan. Yogdan. So question, choice, possibility, and contribution. So you in Access BAS class, you already do that, like how asking a question without looking for an answer leads you to more awareness. You start receiving awareness, and the possibilities start showing up in your life, and there are infinite possibilities. When you ask a question and you get an awareness, you make a choice. So before, when we had not yet like formally started this call, Ankit was asking me that how come I came into, like, what made me choose Access Consciousness and coming so far into Access Consciousness. अंकित, आप ये मुझसे पूछ रहे थे और मैंने कहा था आप कॉल में पूछिएगा मुझे. मैं
जी सही बात है.
तो मैं सबके सामने ये इस चीज का जवाब देना चाहूँ. तो इट वाज अ चॉइस.
आवाज चली गई.
Hmm.
आई.
Okay. Yeah. So internet glitch. Yeah.
Yeah.
So it was a choice that I made. तो मेरी लाइफ में कुछ चल रहा था जहां पे कि मैं स्टक फील कर रही थी, लिमिटेड फील कर रही थी. I have been like I'm a computer engineer by studies. I had done my masters in computer engineering. I'm blessed with a husband who is a surgeon. He has his hospital. Two boys as two sons that I have, and I was working with a multinational IT company in a high paying job. When I left my job in 2017, I left as program manager with a UK based company called WorldPay. So as per the standards of this reality, सब perfect है. सब perfect है, and still there were some areas which seemed stuck. There was nothing moving in those directions. There was a sense of not being fulfilled. Like Saurabh mentioned, I had issues of depression and anxiety. Those bouts of depression coming in at times, like, what am I doing? Why am I doing this? What is the purpose of life? All those things were coming up. And there were like, I used to suffer from panic attacks. Like when you have anxiety and when it goes beyond certain limits, when you are just like getting into that lot of anxiety, as if you are like paralyzed. Now you cannot make any move. There are so many thoughts, so many concerns, so many worries, and you are so confused. There are so many thoughts going on simultaneously in your head that you cannot come to a decision. You cannot even make a choice what to do next. So I have been there. I have gone through that. And in 2013, I was looking for, like, since like couple of years, I was looking for something that I was like, without coming into Access, I was being in there, that question: what am I not aware of? What is it that I can choose here? What is it? What different choice can I make here? What is it there available out there that if I make a choice over there, my life would change? And then one fine day, a friend of mine mentioned about this, who is a healer, who is my cousin also. She mentioned to me, she came and she mentioned to me about Access Consciousness. She gave me that Access Bar session. She did some clearings for me, and it was so much of peace, so much of joy in my world that I made a choice. I had no logical reasoning. I did not know anything about what Access Bars was in my city. I did not know of anyone who knew actually Access Bars, but I had that calling. I knew that this is something which is going to change my life, which is going to give me what I am looking for, new possibilities that I am looking for in my life. And I chose to do an Access Bars class. I and my son, who was 13-year-old, we were the only two participants in that, probably the first Access Bars class that happened in my city of Indore. And we attended that class. We started running sessions on each other, and it was so much changing in my universe that soon after that I chose a foundation class. Like around 2-3 months after my Access Bars class, I chose to go for the foundation class with an unknown person, a facilitator whom I had never met. I had never but I had not that knowing. I was choosing it. So it was choice, and my choices created something for me. So wherever I am over here as a CF sitting over here, that were my choices, and the contribution, the possibilities that started showing up. Again, I chose them. I was asking questions and I was choosing them, and I was moving forward in my life without analyzing, without going into the judgment and wrongness of it, without buying the points of views and judgments of others, that I was doing something very weird, something unheard of, which no one else in my society and even knew about. And I was trusting my knowing. So everywhere you don't trust your knowing, you go with people's points of views. And you don't choose what you know that would create a different life for you. Will you please now destroy and create it all times a God saving? Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all 9 shorts, boys and beyonds. So one of the questions that people have is, how do I choose? So there are certain questions that you can ask. So if you have like many options available to you, the question, instead of eliminating one of them and instead of going into elimination कि ये ठीक नहीं है, इसको हटाते हैं, ये हटाते हैं और एंड में ये बच जाता है, instead of doing that, what if you could, that because that is the way we have been taught, so there is nothing wrong with that. We have grown up learning that is what our families, our education system has taught us. Look into the pros and cons, compare, analyze, and then come to a decision which would work for you. What if you could start asking this question for each of the choices available to you, that the choices that you can perceive? If I choose this, what would my life be like in 6 months from now, in 1 year from now, in 2 years from now? And get the energy of it. And you ask this for each of the choice that is available for you. And then you perceive in your body, you sense in your body, how do you feel? What is light and what is heavy? So when you ask that question for a choice, so when, like as Saurabh, he can ask question, if I choose an Access Bar session, what would my life be like in 6 months from now, in 1 year from now, in 2 years from now? And feel the energy of it in your body. So anything that is going to create greater for you in future and now as well as in future would make you feel light. वो आपके अंदर एकदम से आप में एक उत्साह भर देगा, आपको वो खुशी देगा, वो एकदम वो लाइटनेस, जॉय आपके बॉडी में फील होगी. और जो चीज आपके लिए नहीं है, जो चीज आपके लिए झूठ है, जो चीज आपके लिए काम नहीं करेगी, वो चीज आपके यूनिवर्स में हेवीनेस लाएगी. So your body gives you a lot of awareness. Are you willing to even ask for that awareness from your body and willing to receive that awareness? So for all the choices that are available to you at a point of time, for each one of them, ask this question: if I choose this, what would my life be like? If I choose this, what would my life be like? Third, what if I choose this, what would my life be like? And choose the one which is most expansive, which gives that sense of those orgasmic energies into your body, just excites you, just makes you move your body and get into action. So make those choices, choose them, and your life would become too much. You will have too much of money, too much of joy, too much of happiness, too much of loving people around you. Like you all come on my calls. And everything that brought up, will you please destroy and uncreate it all times a God zillion? Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all 9 shorts, boys and beyonds.
Thank you very much for wonderful sharing. आपका जो भी एक्सपीरियंस रहा,
हाँ.
वो हमारे लिए एक इंस्पिरेशन तो है ही.
Yes, Ankit, we all be an inspiration. So like be the inspiration to people around you. Don't try to motivate people, be an inspiration.
Yeah.
एक बात ये पूछनी थी, जैसे हम सिल्वा में लेवल में जाके हीलिंग देते हैं किसी को भी, वैसे लेवल में जाके बार्स दे सकते हैं अल्फा लेवल में जाके?
So usually दो modalities को mix नहीं करना चाहिए. तो तो आप मतलब आप अपनी अवेयरनेस के साथ में जाइए, बट इट्स यूजुअली इट्स नॉट रिक्वायर्ड. आई हैव आल्सो डन सिल्वा, सो इट्स नॉट रिक्वायर्ड. एक्चुअली व्हेन आप जब आपका बास सेशन हो रहा होता है तो आपको सिमिलर एनर्जीज कई बार परसीव होती हैं कि आप अल्फा में चले गए हो.
नहीं, वो तो बरोबर है, लेकिन अभी मेरे पिताजी गांव रहते हैं और मुझे यहाँ से उनको बाहर देने हैं.
नहीं, आप नहीं दे सकते. बास कैन बी गिवन ओनली इन पर्सन.
ओके
You cannot give a bass sessions distantly.
ओके.
Yeah.
और एक क्वेश्चन ये था कि अब तक हमारी लाइफ में जो भी हो रहा है, नोइंगली और अननोइंगली, तो बचपन से जो भी है उसी का ये रिफ्लेक्शन है ना.
हाँ, और हाँ है.
तो इसको भी अभी ड्रॉप कर ही देना पड़ेगा.
तो वो सारे पॉइंट्स ऑफ व्यूज, वो सारे दृष्टिकोण जो आपने दूसरों से सीखे, जाने और खरीद लिए कि ये मेरे हैं हम, और जो कि आपका जब आपको पता चल रहा है कि वो आपको वो नहीं क्रिएट करने दे रहे हैं जो आप क्रिएट करना चाहते हैं अपनी लाइफ में, तो आप उन सबको छोड़ सकते हैं. छोड़ने में कोई बुराई नहीं है.
थैंक यू.
So, do we have any more questions on what can a choice create, and what would you like to create in your life, and what choices can you make today? Every morning, you can ask, what can I be and do today to create what I'm like? So you can have your own asks list, your creation list. This is what I would like to create in my life, and what can I be and do today that would create this with total ease and at the speed of space. And you can make choices every day, actually every 10 seconds. You can make a new choice every 10 seconds and give up your old choice. So that when you make a choice, and when it is not from a point of view and it's not from your analytical, logical mind, you can make a new choice every 10 seconds. So you don't have to actually go into that analysis that if I would choose something wrong, कुछ गलती तो नहीं हो जाएगी, कुछ mistake तो नहीं हो जाएगी. What if there was no mistake? You choose something, you receive some awareness, you ask a question, you get new possibilities, you choose something else. You receive contribution from people, and you be a contribution to others through your choices. So, if there are no more questions, should I talk about something? Should I continue to talk?
Sure.
Yeah.
Yes, please.
Yes, please.
So as I told Ankit, that I made a choice to attend an Access Bars class, and then followed by a foundation class, and that's how my journey with Access Consciousness started and moved forward. So I would like to tell you about this foundation class that now I would be conducting. It's a 4 days class. It's a deep dive. It's a deep dive where you see into all your points of views that have created your current life situations, your patterns in life, your money reality, whatever is showing up in your body, everything. And we do a lot of clearings, and we create a new space through Access body processes, entity awareness and entity clearings, and much more, to give you a new foundation. Or I would rather not call it even a foundation, because foundations are fixed structures. जब जो नींव रखी जाती है वो कितनी फिक्स्ड होती है, उसके ऊपर एक स्ट्रक्चर खड़ा कर दिया तो आप उसको चेंज नहीं कर सकते हैं. तो क्या आप अभी हमारी जिंदगी हमने ऐसी नींव पे बनाई है कि वो बिल्कुल फिक्स्ड हो गई है, वहां पे कुछ भी चेंज करना कुछ भी बदलाव लाना, कुछ नया करना बहुत मुश्किल होता है। तो क्या हम ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म बनाएं जहाँ पे कि कुछ भी क्रिएट करना बहुत इजी हो और फ्लेक्सिबल हो, जहाँ पे चॉइसेस करना इजी है, कुछ भी क्रिएट करना बहुत फास्ट है, बहुत इजी है, और देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ फन एंड ईज एंड जॉय ओवर देयर. So would you like to choose that? Would you like to choose that life for yourself?
In fact, Tasneem, I would like to add here,
Yes, Keith.
I have done Access Bars class in November 2018 and I did not practice. And somehow I got an opportunity to do the foundation. And I was not choosing it, but something was pushing me towards foundation. And it was only when I did foundation, मुझे access समझ में आया, because till then I was operating from my fixed point of views.
Yes.
That life is what I know. I know everything.
Yeah.
And I was operating from that. When I did the foundation, not only access समझ में आया, consciousness समझ में आया, awareness समझ में आया, but I also decided to become a facilitator myself. So my
Yes.
real journey actually started in foundation. And foundation is so much more. Foundation is about, you spoke about choice. We really understand what choice is, what awareness is. And I used to call myself that I am an empath and I absorb from people around. And that is when I realized the victim-victimizer game. I understood gaslighting. I understood why manipulation is not bad and everybody do it without knowing. The simplest person who doesn't know, and we may call ये तो बहुत simple सा बंदा है, he himself may not know that he is a manipulator, right? So foundation is very, very powerful, and especially the processes that you learn in foundation, like MTVSS, it's like magic. You touch somebody's body, whatever ailment they are going through, you touch them and something shifts in them. Biomimetic memory and cellular memory, they are very, very powerful process. In fact, अगर मैंने foundation नहीं किया होता तो मैंने body class भी नहीं किया होता, but foundation is where I got these very powerful process, and then there are magical numbers which we use 1 2 3 4 5 and so on. Foundation was very, very powerful, and the best thing is how to use clearing, how to create a clearing, that I learned only in foundation.
Yes.
So if I had not done foundation, I won't have reached here. I won't have understood that only choice creates, and I won't have created so much in my life. So when lockdown happened, uh, everybody thought that things are going, wrong now. Everything will stop and the economy will happen. How many people actually went out of survival other than for coronavirus? Nobody died. Everybody survived. In fact, some people even thrived. I have known fabricators जो अपना आयरन का गेट एंड वो सब काम करते थे, they started creating stands for sanitizer. Immediately they shifted. So I also shifted to Zoom calls. I started Zoom calls way earlier than most other people. I even taught people how to do Zoom calls. Okay, Zoom call खत्म हो गया, अब क्या कर सकते हैं? So I started digital marketing. एंड डिजिटल मार्केटिंग भी कर लिया, और क्या कर सकते हैं, अभी भी टाइम मेरे पास है. सो आई क्रिएटेड इवन मोर. आई स्टार्टेड क्रिएटिंग वेबसाइट्स फॉर पीपल. सो वेबसाइट्स भी हो गया, अब और क्या करना है? आई स्टार्टेड सेटिंग अप CRM फॉर पीपल. आई वाज ऑलरेडी कोचिंग सो मेनी पीपल एंड आई डिड सुसाइड अवेयरनेस मंथ आल्सो. सो आई गिव sessions to so many people during this suicide awareness. So only choice creates, and that distinction was very clear for me when I did foundation. So
Yes.
I think foundation is the most powerful program of
It
Access.
is. So Access Bars like gives you that start, and when you give that, run those do those bar sessions, it gave me, like, it took me, like, for me also, it took me out of that anxiety and all that. But then foundation
I think your
actually
voice
changed
is
my
cracking.
life.
Exactly.
Okay. Is it better now?
Yeah, it's better. Hello?
Yes, we can hear you now.
You can hear me now? Okay,
Yes,
so even like for me, it was the same, that access bars cleared off actually made me into that space that I could choose something different. And then foundation gave me a new life, I would say. All those BMM, like breaking your genetic patterns. We feel that as if we are like whatever our parents, the genes that we have come up with, it's going to remain with us throughout the life. It's not something we can go past. And that BMM process gives you a lot of relief when you can start giving up your family's points of views and start being more of yourself. You can choose something beyond what your family has done and been. So all of them have been a contribution. And this whole COVID period, it gave me the opportunity to conduct my classes globally. So that was another great opportunity. That choice that I made to go to conduct classes online made me go global. So anyone has any questions about what this foundation class can change for you? What would take, like, if you are on the edge, you are thinking about joining the foundation class, if you have some concerns, that any more information that you require.
Tasneem, I just wanted to say something just came to my mind with the energy.
Yes.
It might contribute to people to choose because it is about choice. For me, the foundation was a choice in which that I brought the CF to Hyderabad. So by Geet, and he's encouraging always. Uh, I got to know about it and I chose it. And I said, yeah, I choose it. I choose it. That's the word, and that's what my intention. And I took this choice. And can you believe it? That I got the exact money for it. First, it was for 66 something, right? Then, when it is also the change of the money happened, I also got that increasement. So you just have to choose. And every time when you choose for anything for access, the money will show up. And that's the power of the choice.
Yes. And like Sabha, like I have seen Sabha over the time, like how beautifully she chooses and creates her life. She has been choosing, and now like she's going out to, like again, like being a translator at, for Arabic speaking countries. So she chose that. So how much after doing the foundation class that has given you that power to choose something greater, to be seen in your life, to be like to come up and
I
be,
was like,
show up actually.
Yes, I
yeah,
was about to
yes,
say that. It made me show up. You know, whenever I used to judge that
yeah.
do
It
this,
actually,
me. Yes.
Yes, it makes you show up, exactly.
actually, first, it was really funny that I felt like I saw my old dress. First, I saw myself wearing a very old dress of a lot of points of views of not even mine. Like I was wearing a very old dress, which is very long, and I am very tiny in it. And that was not my dress. I was wearing somebody else's dresses, masks, and point of views. I'm just living in other people's life, and I felt like at that point when I was in the workshop that I am just tearing that dress, and I'm saying that I prefer to be naked rather than wearing this. I really don't want this, and I chose differently. Every concept will be different. I don't remember I cried in any workshop like in the foundation.
Yeah.
It was that deep. It was that deep.
Yes.
And I think that if I'm acknowledging a lot of gratitude in my life now, I think that I was also doing this clearings because after foundation, you start doing clearings for your sons, for your husband, for whatever tiny things happen in your life. Even, I told Geet about it, that I fix, the computer using the numbers, and I fix the fridge using the numbers, and a lot of stuff was working for me, that I felt the magic of it.
Yes, it does. It does,
How does
Sabha.
it get any better than this?
Yes, and what else is
Yes.
possible?
Yes.
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 Can I ask something, Tasneem?
Yes, Trupti.
My question is, foundation fair, TK one has to do, I mean, foundation is fair, but does, facilitator make a difference, or it is maybe, say when I choose foundation, because I'm choosing foundation irrespective of the facilitator, whatever has to change for me, whatever has to be facilitated for me will happen,
So it's again a
or the
choice,
facilitator
Trupti.
makes a difference. Yeah.
It's again a choice, Tripti, that who, like you ask that question. So as you choose the foundation class, you make a choice. You choose the facilitator also. So you ask that questions around that. If I choose the foundation class with this facilitator, what would my life be like? And if I choose, like, you go with the facilitator with whom you get that feeling of lightness, with whom you can connect to, with whom you feel that you would be able to receive the class most. So the foundation class has an energy of its own. So every class, every foundation class, every business in that sense, everything, every project that you have, it's an entity of its own. It has its own energy. It would definitely contribute, and you make a choice for your of the facilitator also. So there is nothing, no, again, I cannot give you a formula. There is no, like, in on the basis of what you have to choose the facilitator. You go with your awareness.
That's fair, but my question was, facilitator makes a difference, yes or no? I understand yes, as you're
What do
saying,
you
because
know? What do you know about? What do you know? Whether, like, it's a yes and no is not an open-ended question. It doesn't give you an awareness. It again leads you to a conclusion and decision. So whether a facilitator makes a difference or not, it's for you. What is it like? What would it? So it could be a yes for you, and it may be a no for someone else. So there is no right or wrong answer for that, that whether a facilitator makes a difference or not, Trupti.
I didn't get the answer. I mean, I'm still in that confusion with, see, foundation
So
per se. Yeah, yeah.
everywhere you are still looking for the right answer and not the awareness. Will you please now destroy and uncreate at all times a conciliant? Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. So what kind of questions are yes and no? Are they open-ended or close-ended questions?
Close-ended questions have yes and no.
Yeah, so a close-ended question is a statement in itself. So if I tell you, yes, Tripti, facilitator does make a difference. It's a statement. No, Tripti, facilitator does not make any difference. Another statement, that is my point of view. Can you see that, Tripti? If I answer your question, I would be imposing my point of view. And I don't want to do that. It's an interesting point of view that I may be having. And I don't want you to burden you with my point of view. You go with your awareness. You ask question. Would choosing a particular facilitator for my foundation class make a difference to me? If I choose this facilitator, would it be more fun and lightness for me? Would it give me more ease? Would it expand my life more? And you can ask, like, if you have a set of facilitators available, you ask the same question for each one of them and get the energy of it. Receive that awareness. So trust your knowing. Trust yourself more.
I get that.
Yeah. And you
It's
cannot
almost
get
been a
it
year. I'm
wrong.
wondering. I'm wondering in the.
Yes.
No, it's been a year. I'm wondering with that confusion in my head. Whom?
So,
Foundation karna hai, yes, but with whom?
okay. So maybe my share might help you, Trupti. So I was choosing to do foundation for 2 years, and my issue was I cannot pay. When I was choosing to do it, it was 66,000 at that point of time, and I was choosing. And I found a facilitator, and I wanted to a deferred payment scheme. This was way back, some 4 or 5 years ago, and this person wouldn't give me that option. Then I went to a facilitator with whom I was doing my third bars, and then I chose to do foundation with her because she was giving me deferred payment. Obviously, I liked her, so I asked her. And it's not like because she's giving me deferred payment, so I'm choosing her. But when I chose the class, it was in February 2018. But I kept checking. I have an awareness, so I kept checking with her that is it light for me to do. Although she's giving me the deferred payment, I kept getting it was very heavy for me, and I chose to do the class with the same facilitator in July. So I chose when it was light for me to do. So the timing is also very important. That's what I feel. Choosing facilitator is one thing, choosing will it contribute to me. And maybe I'll put it this way for you is, what are you ready to take from that class? Is it the facilitator who will give you, or are you ready to कि मेरी जिंदगी बल्ले बल्ले हो जाए? It is up to you what you are. फिर वो कोई भी facilitator हो वो आपको देगा. Okay. Now I'll tell you one more phenomenal thing. She's a very amazing facilitator with whom I did my first foundation, and you will not believe this. Every year there are many participants who go and repeat their foundation with her. Okay. See this. Every year they go and repeat their foundation with her. Now I have done foundation 3 times, and I have always seen to it that I keep changing my facilitator. Now every person makes a choice for themselves, but if you're looking at ki I want to change everything in my life, I want radical shifts, the person will show up for you. As simple as that. Don't ask too many questions. Say what I want to create with my foundation, not whether Tasneem will give or Shamshad will give or XY will give. Though I'm not a foundation facilitator, but I'm just giving my name.
Yeah. What are you willing to receive?
Yes.
What are you willing to receive from the class? And with whom, like I would like to add, with whom would you like, would it be like you, would it be more ease and fun for you to receive? You can like ask for that if you have that confusion in your mind about facilitator. Though as a, it's like another example I would like to give, as I gave the example of ice cream, that if there are like there are number of restaurants or number of, like again we stick to the ice cream parlors, so there would be a quality, like there would be an ice cream parlor for one there are number of ice cream parlors, so there are number of restaurants. You might want to choose, like you might want to choose अभी इस रेस्टोरेंट में जाके खाना है, अगली बार उस रेस्टोरेंट में जाके खाना है. Like Shamshad said that she chose to have to do her foundation with different facilitators every time. So it's like she was willing to receive different energies from different facilitators. Am I right, Shamshad? When you were choosing, like every facilitator has a different energy.
Yes.
As every restaurant would offer probably a little different menu, and a little different probably there would be a separate different taste that you would get in the food over there. So what?
Tasneem, every time I come to your classes or clarity call, no, I also see how you are answering people, in the group. So I'm learning from everyone.
Of course, yeah. You receive from everyone.
Yes. So
you receive from everyone, and as a CF, even if I'm a CF, I am receiving from each of my class participants and everyone showing up on my call. So I always feel that probably I receive more than what I contribute, probably.
We receive more.
Or actually I receive a lot. So the whole idea is, Trupti, be in question and choose. So every time, like another thing that we do very interestingly.
Wait, Tasneem, please, I'm sorry. I want to interrupt you. I got her question. You know what? Many a times, we are looking at changes in a very cognitive way. When we ask this question, in 5 years, if I choose this facilitator or this program, how my life would be or how it wouldn't be. That's from the foundation. The tool is from foundation. So many people out here wouldn't know that. That tool is also from foundation. No, will this create for me in 5 years? So one of the thing which I wanted to share in this group is when I did my foundation the first time, I was literally sleeping because there are body processes. So somebody was giving me body processes, so I was busy sleeping. I would invariably sleep. Okay, while there are some 5 or 6 body processes we have to do in the foundation. So every time we were doing the foundation, I would go to sleep. There was a recording which was available, but believe me, cognitively, I didn't get anything from the foundation. But for 21 days, energetically, I could feel my body shifting. 21 days, I still remember that for 21 days, I felt shifts happening in my body. And that humongous it is. So sometimes we may not even cognitively get what we are getting in the foundation. So
and Shamshad, and I would like further like to add that even when like I have seen people who sleep throughout the classes,
yes, I'm
they
one of them.
and yes, and they receive the most out of the class. So it's the energy of the class that you receive. It's not what actually people say. So it's what is it like? Many times it's the energy of the class that contributes to you. It's always there actually. It's not just that whether you have cognitively listened to every word that the facilitator said, and then you have those class recordings. So you might go back and listen to the class recording and you would find that, oh, ये भी बोला था, ये तो याद ही नहीं है, ये कब हुआ. So many times it happens.
You know, I would like to share something here, Tasneem. I don't know why I'm sharing this. So the first time, everybody must have heard what difficulty I had, paying that kind of fee. So by the time I did it, it was 68,000 in July 2018. Now we pay 74,000. The first time, what difficulty I faced, paying that kind of fee. Every year when I went to do any program, I always had the money. So my money reality changed after my foundation is one thing which I really got amazingly. So now I can choose any class without thinking about money 2 times. So this is one. Now that we are talking, I'm getting present to many things.
Yeah,
it's all like I'm not recorded like, oh, ye shift hua, wo shift hua. I just know that something has shifted in my universe. So today, now we are talking, I got present to it. Thank you so much.
How does it get even better than that? Yes. So it gave you more ease in choosing. So when you choose, that money just shows up. It's there with you.
मैम एक चीज पूछना है मुझे.
Yamini, do you want to say something?
हाँ मैम, मुझे एक चीज पूछना है.
हाँ बोलिए ना.
मेरे को अभी ऐसे अवेयरनेस है कि जनरली सब कोई मतलब हम लोग ये सोचते हैं ना कि जब हम कर रहे हैं तो फैसिलिटेटर अच्छा है कि नहीं. उसके साथ हम एक क्वेश्चन यही भी सोचते हैं मैम कि आगे के लॉन्ग माने लाइफ में वो हमें कितना सपोर्ट करेगा, हम कुछ टूल यूज कर पाएंगे नहीं कर पाएंगे, कहीं ना कहीं हम ये सोचते हैं. और अभी मुझे ये अवेयरनेस आया कि अगर हम ऐसे चूज करके ऐसे सोच करके अगर फैसिलिटेटर चूजते हैं तो कहीं ना कहीं हम अपने यूनिवर्स में अपने आप को डिपेंडेंट नहीं बना देते हैं. उसकी जगह अगर हम ये चूज करें कि ये पर्सन हमें बहुत अपने पांव पे खड़ा करेगा, अपने ऊपर सब कुछ बनाएगा, अपने को एम्पावर करेगा. मैं सही हूँ?
आपका क्वेश्चन क्या है? आप मुझे यस सर सही गलत का जवाब तो मेरे पास भी नहीं है ना यामिनी.
ये जस्ट अभी आया क्योंकि मैं भी ऐसा सोचती थी कि क्या ये हमें आगे लाइफ में हेल्प करेंगे. और ये क्वेश्चन जो उन्होंने किया ना, अचानक से वो अंदर में एक लाइट आया कि जब हम ये सोचते हैं तो हम अपने यूनिवर्स में एक डिपेंडेंसी नहीं चूज कर लेते.
ये सबके लिए अलग अलग हो सकता है. किसी को सपोर्ट की जरूरत है तो वो सपोर्ट देख सकता है. किसी को भी लगता है कि मुझे अपने पांव पे खड़े होना है, मुझे सपोर्ट की जरूरत नहीं चाहिए. तो it can differ from person to person. So it's a point of view. ये एक दृष्टिकोण है यामिनी. अभी आप एक दृष्टिकोण और आप 2 दृष्टिकोण देख पा रहे हैं अपने ही लाइफ में. तो ये सब कुछ दृष्टिकोण है. और आप अगर चाह रहे हैं कि इन दोनों जो भी दृष्टिकोण है इनमें से कौन सा सही है कौन सा गलत है, कोई मुझे बता दे, तो अभी भी आप सही गलती ढूंढ रहे हैं। तो कौन सा what your point of view creates your reality, आपका दृष्टिकोण ही आपकी वास्तविकता बनाता है, क्रिएट करता है।
यस मैम।
तो दृष्टिकोण है वो तो, और हर किसी के लिए अलग अलग हो सकता है वो, उसमें कुछ सही गलत नहीं है। वो किसी के लिए क्या सही हो सकता है, किसी के लिए क्या सही हो सकता है।
हाँ, आपने ये पहले बताया था। थैंक यू।
या So anyone else who has done a foundation class would like to share their experience, that what changed and shifted for them?
I just want to ask you one question. Yamini has raised an amazing question. Do you provide, because this might be a question with many people, do you provide an after foundation support? Because some people may need that support. Yamini ने सर पे हाथ भी लगा लिया.
In fact, I vouch for that. I have done bars class with Tasneem and I am supported even now. Her clarity calls, her SOP sessions, they are all for supporting us. And there was no time I ever know when I called up Tasneem or when I sent a message and she did not revert back. So she coming from the enormity and
I second that to Geet.
So the abundance that she comes up with, ऐसा लगता है कि ये इन्हें मेरे से पैसा बनाना है, बना सकती है, but she doesn't even, I don't know.
एग्री टोटली सही है, टोटली सही है। एंड एक चीज अभी अच्छा हुआ उन्होंने बोला तो मुझे याद है, तस्नीम एंड लॉट्स ऑफ ग्रेटिट्यूड एक चीज के लिए। आपने 2 दिन पहले बोला था कि मनी पुडिंग के लिए आपने बोला था कि गटर से भी रिसीव करो, टॉक शिट से भी, राइट? और वो इतना मुश्किल था ना, बस कि मैं क्या बताऊं। लेकिन फिर कोई पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू नहीं रखना है, बस एकदम फ्लो के साथ चलो बस। एंड आप बिलीव नहीं करोगे, सच्ची में इससे बहुत बेनिफिट हुआ। वो इतना इजी हो गया, मैं ऐसे से रिसीव कर रही हूँ जो बंदा बहुत डिफिकल्ट बंदा है, लेकिन विथ ईज। मतलब जोरदार है, जोरदार। कोई एक तारीफ के लिए कोई, मुझे अभी भी लगता है कि कम है कोई वर्ड आपके लिए, बहुत कोई और बड़ा वर्ड होना चाहिए, क्योंकि वो बहुत डिफिकल्ट था कि रिसीविंग फ्रॉम डॉग शिट, बहुत डिफिकल्ट वर्ड है वो।
Yeah, so I would like for what I usually tell my foundation participants, even my BAS participants, everyone, that I'm like, of course there is a lifetime support. You can always call me, you can talk to me, as Geet said, and like I'm connected to, thankfully, almost all my participants. And another thing is, for foundation class, because it's an intense class, and I provide support, that in the sense that I like to put some weekly follow-ups, whatever works for the participants, bi-weekly follow-ups where we just meet and we talk. It could be scheduled or it could be like impromptu, whatever works for you. But then I 60 days is what I usually tell. 60 days, 2 months, I am with you, always available, whatever changes are going on in your life. And even after that.
मैं एक सेंटेंस बोल सकती हूँ?
नीता, हाँ जी।
मैं अंग्रेजी की टीचर हूँ, लेकिन अंग्रेजी का शब्द मुझे अभी तक नहीं मिला। हिंदी में एक शब्द है आपके लिए, वो है आपके अंदर जो अपनापन है, वो शायद आज की दुनिया में देखना बहुत मुश्किल होता है। और वो मैं दिल से कह रही हूँ कि मतलब ऐसा लगता है कि आपकी कुछ भी मैं मिस ना करूं, ऐसी मेरी इच्छा है और जरूर पूरी होगी जल्दी। बहुत अपनापन है। आज मेरी तबीयत आपको भी पता है कि ठीक नहीं है, लेकिन मैंने कहा ये तो मैं छोड़ूंगी नहीं, मैं बैठूंगी जरूर, चाहे तकिया लगा के बैठूं। बहुत अच्छा लगा और आपसे मिलके तो मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि सबकी सब इच्छाएं पूरी होती है और हम लोगों में से जितने लोग हैं हम सब आपको उतना ही चाहते हैं जितना एक दूसरे को चाहते हैं।
Of course we do.
थैंक यू
Yes.
सो मच।
It's a whether you choose foundation with me or not choose foundation with me, the sense, like the just being together, having that sense of communion is such a great joy.
Yeah, that is.
Yes. Yes.
Can I
It's
share
something,
something?
it's an invitation. It's just like that I'm conducting this class. If it is light for you, just if it is fun for you, if you would like to choose it, you are most invited. Yes, Namrata, please go ahead.
Yeah, somebody asked if it's about the support. It's not really about the support. Like some of the things which we have it, but हम लोगों को दिखता ही नहीं है कि मेरे अंदर इतना सारा potential है, कोई चीज है, तो already कोई कोई है जो आपको contribute कर सकते हैं। जैसे हम लोग बचपन में स्कूल गए हैं, it's not that we can also learn from ourselves also. So it's not really about the support, but it's like a symbiotic relationship. Nature कैसे एक दूसरे के साथ रहता है, तो
Would
it's
an
more
infinite
that.
being actually require support?
No, it's not support, it's a contribution.
It's
Yeah,
a
so
contribution.
it's just like for fun. अच्छा मुझे मुझे कुछ ये मुझे बहुत लाइट लग रहा है और ये करने से मुझे कुछ अलग पर्सपेक्टिव, कुछ डिफरेंट हो रहा है। कभी कभी आप डिफाइन नहीं कर सकते, बट आपको जस्ट पता होता है कि नहीं, ये चूज करने से आपको पता नहीं कि एग्जैक्टली क्या है, बट आप जस्ट चॉइस करते हो। तो इट्स मोर ऑफ दैट। एंड आई विल से फाउंडेशन से लाइक बहुत सारी चीजें शिफ्ट हो गई मेरे अंदर की, मेरी जो कैपेसिटीज थी वो बाहर आ रही है। और पहले मैं काफी मनी के बारे में सोचती थी कि अरे इतना पैसा कैसे करूं, बट नाउ आई एम द कंट्रोल एंड आई कैन क्रिएट एनीथिंग। और अनदर थिंग, इफ यू आर चूजिंग फाउंडेशन, I'll just suggest, if it works for you, just ask what can I choose beyond my imagination, because आपका जो mind है, imagination limited हो सकता है, but universe की कोई सीमा नहीं है। And just go like आपको लगता है हाँ ये है, इनसे मैं कर सकती हूँ, and just follow your heart. That's what, follow your knowing. And तस्नीम जी के बारे में मैं बोलूँ, वो उनका इतना amazing energy है, like even without बात करें ही उनको पहले से ही पता है। She is such a contribution. मतलब कभी कभी मैं क्वेश्चन ही नहीं पूछ रही हूँ और वो उनको पता है, and she is just sharing that wisdom. So she is amazing contribution.
Sharing that, Namrata, I would like to add something here.
Yeah.
Before foundation, I had done various programs जो 1-1, 2-2, 5-5, 10,000 थे. There was one program which I did, which was my coaching program, which I knew that the certification is counted and across the world I would be using. When I did foundation, what opened कि मैं इतना पैसा खर्च कर सकता हूँ. I have done programs which are 1 lakh plus, many programs after foundation. But पहले विश्वास भी नहीं था कि मैं इतना पैसा किसी कोर्स पे खर्च करूंगा.
Same with me.
वो बैरियर टूट गया. Now I think of doing a program 5 lakh का भी होगा, no problem, आ जाएगा.
I am like, I am willing to even pay 5 crore. See, I am infinite being और मैं create करूंगी. That is what. पहले मैं सोचती थी even for a access bars, I was like, as Samshad ji, like I am thinking about 15,000. हाँ, मतलब मैं मैं ज़्यादा मेरा extra save, मतलब मैं देखूंगी, बाद में करूंगी. मैंने बाकी सारे बहुत सारे courses किए हैं. But right now it's like, for fun I am like to choose it, and I want to be that energy where 5 crore is also nothing. Anything is nothing for me.
So that dimension of receiving so much money also was possible, because since the time I did the foundation, not only I have money in my account, because you get to learn 10%, you must save into my account called as honoring of you. So I always have that amount, and I have, I think 2.5 times I have earned more than what I used to earn before foundation. So, and I have no qualms in spending about anything. Yes.
And COVID situation has been so easy for me. Sources are coming to me. I'm not going everything is coming to me. It's the way it's getting created. I never thought, I can think about multiple opportunities. Everything, every resource is coming to me, and that is so, so beautiful. I have chosen Global Foundation at the last moment.
Wow.
And wow, it was a history. 3.5 से कितने लोग थे? 3,500 लोग. And I was really asking for a different possibility, and it was wonderful.
Yeah, even I was there in the Global Foundation. And
Yeah.
right now I'm on Gary and Dane's. I'm doing that 7-day event.
Wow.
So it's in the US timing. So
Yeah.
it started from yesterday. Yesterday it started. So it's an online event again, like this time because of COVID situations, we are not traveling. And this was like again showed up as a great, like very like possibility as for me, where I chose this, where I'm like for 7 days being with Gary and Dane, the founders of Access Consciousness, they facilitating and receiving from them. So
And I always knew about the magical world, but यहाँ ये reality में बोलते कि ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता यार. We require that validation. Then I work with the special kids, and I always knew they are like masters in this body, and they have something very different जो बाकी लोगों को नहीं दिख रहा है. But after coming into Access, I just got to know about them even more, and they have amazing capacities. And I'm just asking कि next Global Foundation में this was awareness कि Down syndrome के बच्चे आ रहे हैं. So I just asked that, and they have amazing capacity. तो जो आपका wrongness, आपको जो भी कभी बोला होगा, अरे तू तो ऐसी है वैसी, आपको पता चल जाएगा, अरे वाह ये तो तुम्हारा strongness है. जैसे कि मेरा, like I am overweight, but I am okay with it. I'm not okay. Like I know I am beautiful the way I am, or anybody. I could just see the beauty. But I never thought that this is my capacity somewhere. So I just got to know that no, this is also a capacity to see that beauty. So it's beyond like money, and it's very precious. And इनका जो foundation हो रहा है, I can sense, I am good at sensing energies. It's amazing energy. I can't define it, but just check the energy and choose for you. And if you make a choice, money and everything will get created because you're the source. So just have that in faith. Yeah. Thank you.
yes, thank you, Namrata. And so like just to sum up, so this I'm doing an online foundation class. It would be a 4-day class, like starting from 10:30 a.m. or 11 a.m., like depending upon like what works for the group, until 5:36 p.m. in the evening, for starting from 15th of October, 15, 16, 17, 18 October. So it would be conducted over Zoom. You will get these class recordings for the calls, or that happens. You have to be there if you attend. If you have to be there with your videos on, totally present in the class, working with me, and you will learn all that is there in the foundation, like getting through all those changes, those shifts, which would create the foundation of your new life. Yeah. So if you are choosing it, please contact and choose the class. I'll send out the the invite, the link to register and everything. So get in touch, or you can even get in touch with Namrata, Shamshad, Shushma, Geet, Sabha, and is Harikirti on the call? She's not there. Yeah, any of them, for any further information that you require, anything that you would like to know, and whatever support you require from them in choosing this class with more ease.
Thank you, Tasneem.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. Amazing, Tasneem.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sabha. Thank you. Thank you,
Thank
everyone,
you,
for
Tasneem.
joining in. Thank you so much. And
Thank you.
okay.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone. Have a wonderful weekend.
Wonderful
And,
session.
Thank you.
and I'll see you again next Friday. Bye till then.
Sure.
Good
Yeah,
night.
bye-bye. Good night.